Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create an ebook in Gamma app. All right, let's begin. First, open your browser and log into the Gamma app using your account credentials. Once you're inside, you'll land on the main dashboard where all your projects are managed. Next, click on Create New AI. This is the starting point for building your ebook. It opens a workspace where you can begin shaping your content from scratch using AI tools. After that, click on Generate to start the creation process. You may be able to adjust settings depending on your ebook type, such as genre or content style, to better match your idea and audience. Now you'll be prompted to enter a text prompt. This is where you describe your ebook idea in a clear and concise way. Your prompt guides the AI in generating relevant content, so make sure it reflects your topic properly. Then click on Generate Outline. This will create a structured plan for your ebook, helping you organize chapters and flow logically. Finally, click Generate again to produce the full ebook based on your outline. Gamma will turn your idea into a complete, readable ebook. So that's basically how you can create an ebook in Gamma app. That's it for this video. Thanks!